Sort of Independence Mine State Park. Guess this was an actual working gold mine at the time, actual for lode gold. And you can also gold pan in a park anywhere you want. And been scoping out some areas, but water's pretty high right now, flowing pretty hard. So a good shot later maybe.
I gotta look at the marker first.
So that was their generator. Atlas Imperial diesel engine. Looks like it was 1, 2, 3, 4 straight 8. And over here another big one. This one's a 4-cylinder diesel. You can see big be the stator of the generator right there. Just think all this stuff was built in the 1920s. There's the rotor, stator. These buildings in the old mine itself up here collapsed. This was the mine office and commissary and apartments. So sled going across the ice. We're at 3,600 feet. There's still ice up here. But I bet you I could probably find a little bit of gold right here. Probably coming out of that waste rock pile up there. Here's a big bunch of burlap bags. They've been laying up here probably since the 1940s. We used to sack up the ore. Still not rotten. We're in the Assayer's office, and there's some furnaces and stuff in here they used to test. There's one of the drills they would use to drill into the quartz and put in the dynamite to blow the rock apart. So you use compressed air to run the hammer. And then they would feed it by cranking this handle right here. This looks like something they might have used to sharpen the bits. There's the different kinds of bits to drill the holes. So drills, different kinds. The safe. It's where they would weigh it. Put it in the safe. It's just a furnace. And here's some gold ore. See, quartz and iron mixed together. That's what you're looking for. June 29th. I'm walking in still in ice. That's this box. It's a place where they used to put their carbide, pieces of carbide to smother them, to be used for lighting the eyes. And the old carpentry tools. Rock crusher. Good carbide leaner. And the old dynamite trigger. Carbide leaner. I don't know. Okay, it's almost her birthday. A couple days. Like day after tomorrow's her birthday, July 1st, and we're in the snow in Alaska. A big old snowbank. Alright, so we're ventured off the hard road up into the mountains now, guys. Gravel road, 20 miles. I think we're going to pop out on the other side where Denali is. Doubt we'll be able to see anything at Denali. Just too cloudy today. I mean, we're just up in the clouds at the Independence Coal Mine. But we're way up here in the snow. Still around. Currently at about 3,600 feet above sea level. Surprisingly, there's a lot of traffic on this road this morning for Monday.
Considering no warnings are marked on the road. That's what the sign said anyway back there.
So we'll see what kind of adventures we can find up here. Yeah, we're up in it. Up in the clouds. In the ice.
There's a car that's, yeah, look out, there's a car.
Up in the ice fields. This camera don't show it, but we are climbing right up into the clouds. Alright, I gotta quit filming because
Yeah.
Summit Lake still frozen. Don't think I'm gonna be fishing it. I see some snowmobile tracks all over it. Okay, it's a stocked lake, but Yeah, frozen still.